bet there is.
Premiere Pro's object mask tool is absolutely crazy. I can do crazy stuff like put stuff in front of me. I can throw this ball around like wild, and everything just locks on. It's amazing. A lot of you guys have tried Rotobrush 3 in After Effects. All of us have, a lot of us in the VFX field. I'll tell you, this is not Rotobrush 3. This is different. Adobe built an entirely new model. It's local, so it's not in the cloud. It's all right on your system. You don't need any internet to use it. It's amazing. And I know a lot of us in the VFX world always say, you know, there's a lot of things you can do in Premiere Pro, but it's usually always better and faster just to do it in After Effects. I'm talking about masking, a lot of other stuff, as you know. Well, this new feature in Premiere Pro kind of flips that on its head because it literally takes me, let's say 10 seconds to do something that would literally be taking me 10 minutes or even 30 minutes to do in After Effects using Rotobrush 3. Premiere Pro's object mask is crazy. Guys, we're here in Tampa, Florida, and Adobe has decided to release the object mask tool in Premiere Pro beta, soon to be coming to Premiere. It is ridiculous. All you gotta do is click on the object mask tool in the toolbar and then click on any piece of footage that you want to mask out. You then track the mask in the effects controls panel all the way across the entire clip. You will then be left with an unassigned mask in your effects controls panel that you can then bring on and apply to any effect of your choosing. One of my favorite effects to use it on is the opacity effect, and that basically cuts out your foreground from your background. This feature is crazier than anything I could have ever imagined. This tool is so intelligent. I took one of my bros, Promise, out. He's one of the top basketball players here in Florida, and I literally could not break this tool. We've been comparing this tool to Rotobrush in this video, but I cannot stress just how different this is. This is 100 times faster than Rotobrush. There's almost no preview lag in the timeline. It's 10 times, 20 times more intelligent than Rotobrush. You're gonna have to just try it out for yourself. But in my opinion, the object mask tool is only one of 2 incredible things that have dropped, because here at Olufemi, we've decided to drop the price of our Creative Dream Bundle down to $28. That's right, 28 packs for $28. This is 28 of our best-selling packs in one bundle. I'm talking about overlays, effects, transitions, and more for only $1 each. And when you use these packs with the new Object Mask tool, you can make absolute magic in Premiere Pro. This bundle is perfect for leveling up your edits without draining your wallet, and as always, you get a lifetime access and unlimited downloads. And as always, it's an instant download with lifetime access. Check it out in the description below.